111 Curvelle 2013 Quaranta is the flagship of Curvelle's luxury catamaran concept, designed to offer space, light and stability to guests as well as using substantially less engine power than other similar volume yachts. More man? Uvrable and drawing less than a typical monohull, Quaranta cruises gracefully at speeds of 12 to 16 knots. Featuring 6 guest cabins, 3 suites and 3 double/twins all on the main deck, Quaranta's style is fresh and welcoming, with warm woods and crisp white upholstery. Each cabin enjoys superb views and natural light from huge picture windows. The saloon and dining room are located on the bridge deck, and the jacuzzi, bar and additional dining area for 12 on the sun deck. A genuine rival to super yachts of 40 meters plus.